Ginny the Barker! Yeah! Today is going to be a very exciting day because we have an experiment. Basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking some of Ginny's favorite treats and we're going to be placing them right here on this box I have right here. Ginny, this might not go well. And then I'm going to be asking her to leave it and stay. And then I'm going to walk outside and see if she takes it. And I'm already thinking she's going to take it. I'm not going to lie. All right, so this is our bait, I guess. And this one's a liver treat. This one's sweet potato. This one's cheese. I'm thinking we're going to start with the liver treat, then work up to the sweet potato, and then the final boss, the cheese. Okay. Not yet. Gonna take this. Ginny, sit. Ginny, sit. Stay. Leave it. And to be honest, I don't have high hopes. She's a mischievous one. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a minute, and then I'm gonna come back inside. And if she hasn't taken it, then we'll count it as a success and we'll get her more food. Stay. Leave it. Oh, come on. Come on, Ginny. I was gone for 2 seconds. Dude. Stay, leave it. Sweet potato time. Maybe we'll do better this time. Stay, leave it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Ginny. She's messing up the camera too. Ginny, come on. Come on. I don't think she's gonna be able to resist the cheese. The final boss. Sit, stay. Leave it. Stay, leave it. Oh, it's so cold out here. I'm gonna bet that if I peek around the corner, she has her head or her snout in that bowl and she's going to town. Yep. Ginny, get some self-control, dude. Come on. Okay, guys, so that's gonna do it for this one. Clearly we need to work on this, eh? Yeah. I'll see you in the next one. Click like if you liked it. Click subscribe if you really liked it. Tell all of your friends and family. And see you next time.